This video provides information from the internet, and we do not promote any products or medicines. Always consult a doctor before using any medication. We are not responsible for any side effects or issues resulting from self-medication.
Otrifresh Mini 0.05% Nasal Drops is a pediatric solution for nasal congestion relief in children. It helps to clear nasal passages effectively. Indications and uses. These nasal drops are primarily indicated for the relief of nasal congestion due to conditions such as common colds, sinusitis, and perennial allergic rhinitis. They work by reducing nasal swelling and excessive secretions, allowing for improved airflow and comfort. How it works. The drops function by constricting the blood vessels in the nasal passages, which reduces swelling and allows air to flow freely through the nostrils. Directions for use. For best results, gently instill 1 to 2 drops in each nostril 1 or 2 times daily, or as directed by a physician. Ensure to clean the dropper or spray nozzle after each use to prevent contamination. Do not exceed the recommended duration of use and discard any unused portion after 28 days of opening. Possible side effects. Common side effects may include dry nose, nasal discomfort, headache, nausea, and a burning sensation after application. If any side effects persist or worsen, seek medical advice. Precautions and warnings. Exercise caution when using this medication, especially in individuals with heart conditions, diabetes, or thyroid issues. It is not recommended for children under 6 years of age, and use should be discussed with a healthcare provider in geriatrics or those with allergies. FAQs. 1. What is the use of these nasal drops? They relieve nasal congestion caused by common colds, sinusitis, or allergic rhinitis. 2. Can they be used every day? Only as prescribed by a doctor and not for more than 7 days. 3. Are they safe for children? Yes, but only for children aged 12 and above unless prescribed. 4. How long does it take to work? Typically, the effects are felt within 5 to 10 minutes of application. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. We appreciate your feedback.